Technology makes your classroom fun and more enjoyable for the students. It also helps you with lessons and getting the children interested in what you are teaching. It used to be that children had to sit and watch us write on the chalkboard and learn without any technology, but now there is so much technology that can be used in the classroom. For example, there are smart boards instead of just the regular old chalkboard. You can use the smartboard for movies and assignments. When you are teaching the children how to do math, you can put the math problems up on the smartboard so you do not have to write down every single problem. You can also show the children movies on the smartboard. Before, you probably had to get a television to show them clips of a movie. Now you can use the smartboard to go on YouTube and find just the clip you want without having to get the entire movie. Another piece of technology that can be useful is computers for the students. This makes learning more enjoyable for the kids. There are fun games that help them learn material. Instead of rehearsing with the kids, 2 + 2 = 4 and 3 + 3 = 6, over and over again, they can play a game on the computer that will rehearse that with them, but in a fun way. The computers can also be used for Skype, which is an online video chat. As a teacher, you can find another school out of the country or even a different state that would be willing to Skype with your class so that students learn about other places. When you are going over the states, for example, such as Ohio, you can find a school in Ohio that would be interested in Skyping with your class, so they not only know there's another state named Ohio, but they also know that there are people just like them that live there. Technology is useful for everyone and can make teaching and learning a lot more enjoyable.